Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the theme on AOL Mail. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to AOL Mail and log into your account. After that, you can see this type of interface over here. On the right hand side, there is the settings icon or the gear icon. Tap on it and you can see the theme as soon as you click on this settings. So you can see there are a lot of themes you can change. As soon as you click on the theme, they are already changing. So you can see there are a lot of more themes as well. So you can click on this and you can see there the themes will be expanded, and you can see the graphics over here being changed over here in the menu. So you can see these are some quite attractive looking themes. So you can also change the mode over here if you want to be on dark mode, light mode, or medium. So if you choose dark, you can see that this will totally be dark, and you can check out the graphics over here quite easily. So if you go to your stared drops or anything over here, you can see that it will be changed and the graphics looks amazing. So you can go to the gears icon over here, select this 13 icon, and you can see some seriously amazing and aesthetic looking themes over here. So guys, this is how easily you can change the theme of your AOL Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.